In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to fix the conflict with cloud update error in Microsoft 365. This error is commonly found while trying to install Microsoft applications, and we can resolve the problem by removing the cloud key in the Registry Editor. To do that, head to the Windows search bar and type regedit. Then go up and open Registry Editor. Once open, head to HKey Local Machine, and click the small down arrow. Now click the arrow next to Software. Then head down to Policies. And finally, open up Microsoft. Here, you should find a key called Cloud. Right-click it, and select Delete. And then click Yes in the dialog box to confirm. You can now restart your device, and continue installing your Microsoft applications. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.